Hey everyone, and welcome to my new channel BN Productions. This is a channel focusing on teaching and explaining you Adobe Premiere Pro one step at a time. I'm your host Salman, also known as Bankrupt Nomad. I go by Bankrupt Nomad because I have another YouTube channel which is about travel and all the fun thing I do while I travel. And on this channel, we are focusing on video editing using Adobe Premiere Pro from basic all the way to the advanced. And we will do it one topic and one tools in each video. But the good thing is I will try my best to post at least 2 videos every week so that you don't have to wait too long for my next video. Another best part about this channel is like you get to participate or you get to be part of this whole learning experience. Because if you have any burning questions about video productions or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can literally write down that question in the comment section and I will do my best to answer your question in the next video, or I will literally create a video on your questions. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification icon so that you never miss out any new tips, tricks or updates I make on video productions or Premiere Pro. Now, if you're just starting your journey with video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, there is a video on the left side, I believe, to just help you get started with Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you've already pro or if you're already using Adobe Premiere Pro, there's a video on the right side which will explain you any new features Adobe Premiere Pro has added in their latest or the newest version. This video, the right video, I will keep updating as we move forward in life because Premiere Pro updates. And with that, I will take your leave, and you, my friend, the nomads or bankrupt, whoever you are, stay creative and stay inspired. Ciao.